So today I am going to show you how I did my nails, and I use the Apres kit. So when you're buying it, it comes with the kit itself. It comes with this beautiful bag, and it has a little light. It comes with the charger. Then this is the top coat, no wipe, then extend gel, the primer, and the dehydrator. So, and their file. I bought the one that had the medium coffin included. They come in, like, they're coming in 500 pieces, to which are 50 sets. They're clear. As you can see, they're totally clear. Alright guys, so before I even start showing you what I'm doing, I have to let you know that I am not a nail technician. I have not went to school for it, so I'm not licensed by any means. All I know is just whatever I learned online or from my nail technician that I went to some time ago. So yeah, I'm doing it at my own risk. So if you want to do it yourself, just keep that in mind. Now, since we got that out of the way, let me show you what I'm gonna do today. The first thing that I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna buff the top layer of my nails. Now, these buffers, I got them off the Amazon. They're really cheap. I'll leave the link down below, as everything else that I'm gonna use today in the video. The next tip, what I'd like to do is just push the cuticular further. The next thing, I'm trying to pick the right nail for it. Now, since this is the first time I'm doing it, I realize I need to file the nail tip on the inside part of it for a better adhesive effect. So make sure you do that. I have filling drill I got on Amazon a while ago, but you can use the file you got or the one that comes in. For me, I didn't find it very comfortable, so that's why I'm using the machine. This one was pretty cheap. I will make sure to list it in the description bar if you want one to. So I'm gonna do one nail at a time. I'm gonna start with the pH bonder, the dehydrator. So what it does, it kind of dehydrates your nails from your natural oils to prevent lifting. We're gonna put a coat on each nail. The next step will be the primer. Now you want to apply it on your nails, a very thin layer. Next, we're going to be applying the extend gel and cure it for 30 seconds under an UV LED light. Then I'm gonna put a layer of gel. Then you want to press the nail from the cuticular all the way down to spread the gel evenly so you won't create any bubbles. I mean, you can hold your nail like this and then cure it under the lamp for like 10 seconds and then let it go and finish curing it for another 30 seconds. But I found a little easier way, and I'll show you in a second. So the easiest way would be to put the light on top of the box, and then all I did is secure it on my phone, turned it on, pressed the nail in, and then cured it for at least 10 seconds underneath the lamp to make sure that it got all set. Once you're done, you'll have to cure it for another 30 seconds and you're all set. Then all you gotta do is your nail design or paint it with the nail polish or whatever you have in mind. Now, my thoughts on it, is it beginner friendly? I think so. I didn't have much difficulty applying them and they were super easy and the shape is perfect, so you don't need to sculpt them or change or anything. Plus the tips are made from gel too, so they're very durable. I ended up doing this design. If you guys want to know the nail polish I used, I will link it under the video in the description box. Let me know in the comments if you like videos like this and want me to do more nail related. Other than that, I love you all and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!